So this is my place. It's the kitchen. Nothing is finalized in here. Meaning that table right there ain't stained. Anyway, 2 windows. Pantry. Shh. Look away. Sink. Itty bitty tiny stove. Yeah, lacking in storage here, right? Yeah. Anyway, it's a hallway, front door, woohoo, bathroom. It's nice and toasty because I turned on the heat. Anyway, itty bitty tiny bathroom. Mirror. Yes, we clean. Shower. Shh, don't look. I haven't gotten to cleaning that yet. But anyway, hit my head there yesterday. Kinda hurt. But anyway, their bathroom is living room with Melanie's little pathetic plant. Anyway, it's fairly big. Shh, it's the only place my laptop would work. Found these guys in the trash. Glass is nice. Comes apart. But I mean, nothing too fancy. Obviously have not gotten any seating. Give it time, give it time. Found this out in the trash too. It's actual marble. It's rather nice. And TV stand without the TV. But shit happens. Quite a few windows in here too. Nothing too exciting out there. But anyway, better keep this open. That's where a heater is. Hot water heater. Yeah, not that exciting. Look, look, look. What? It's fun. Don't ask. Not meant a video. But oh well. And brick lines. Oh. I'll fix them later. And this is Melanie's room. She hasn't got much of her stuff is in here yet. But anyway, I better close that. I don't like the blinds being open. None. Dude, that's our outdoors. Oh no, there's creepy people in right here. Anyway, funniest thing ever. Her closet. How the hell are you supposed to put a hanger in here? I mean, come on. Look at this. In my hand. Seriously. Whatever. People are dumb when they model houses. It doesn't even shut all the way. Whatever. Anyway, leave her room alone. She's not here tonight. She's at home. Or at her job. I mean, at home. I mean, stairs. I shouldn't have flipped it that way, but anyway. Up. see the pretty bridge. If I open the blinds anyway. That's the bridge. That's to downtown over there. Can't see it very well, but oh well. Pete's closet in the fire ladder. He doesn't put up anything in his closet. My closet. There, we're better. Shh. I'm insane, it's okay. Alright, Pete's room momentarily. I know he's not in here, but oh, nice. That's his room. He's got the bigger one, but shit happens. I guess he's, ooh, nice breeze. Anyway, guess his closet's in here. Close this door up. My room. You can tell by those. And it's dark. Scary. Anyway, my little room. My pile of dirty clothes. My movies. Yes, the ceiling does slope. My little desk and what I got in the trash. Gotta love the trash we're in here. Melanie said let me borrow her lamp. Stuff in there. See? It's cute. Anyway. My room's not as hot. Oh. Maybe because I have a window open. Anyway. Little shelf. My oh my god hat. My DVD player. My bed, which I also found in the trash. Actually, there was a Chinese couple that were moving out, and they were going to throw out their bed, and I was like, ooh, can I have it? And so they helped me move it over here. So that was pretty cool. That's my view. My window. Trash comes tomorrow, so it's kind of right. That's our lawn. And ow, getting attacked by fish. Meep. Okay, seriously? I was getting attacked by fish. Hang him back up there. Where he belongs. Anyway. Yeah, that's my little room. It's not very tall. See? My head. Yeah. But that's okay. And pretty blue light. That's it. Not that exciting, but it's better than nothing, right? Oh, another funny thing. Why? I don't know either. I honestly cannot tell you why, because there's no way in hell you can get up from there. You know, this is where the light is. Stupid people. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I need to fix this blind. I'll let you go. Peace out.